What is giraffe in Korean? Giraffe in Korean is
기린, 기린,
again. Giraffe in Korean is
기린.
How do we write kirin in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ki, we need to draw first a gyo character followed by an e character. For the second syllable rin, we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character followed by a nian character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to write kirin in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is giraffe in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is bat in Korean? Bat in Korean is
박쥐, 박쥐.
congrats. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.